Hello. Hey guys, I'm Anivesh and welcome to my channel. So basically this is like new trend going on for AI, right? Um, and recently I was wondering uh, I made a film couple of years ago, just like a bird. Okay. Um, the thing is, like, I always struggle with the audio of the film. Okay, and I remember correctly, when I was editing that film, just like a bird, I had a lot of issues while editing the audio. Okay. um, it is very troubling to edit the audio. I did it manually, and now we got the tool, like just a one click tool. So I want to try that out, and I hopefully you guys also learn how to do it for free. Okay, so guys, let's get started. So all you need to do is, like, first get to the this link, podcast.adobe.com. Okay, so you will see like this page, uh, and you have to make your account with Adobe. And once you did, you have to go to this place, like enhance speech. Okay, go to enhance speech. And before that, like, I like to tell you, like, I like to show you like how the audio sounds right now. So this is my film, just like a bird. If you haven't watched it, please do watch it. Okay. And so let's see.
And owns the sky.
All right, I'm just going to play a couple of seconds of the clip. Okay. We are like birds. Some of us are free and own the sky, while some of us are caged by the feeling of loneliness, emptiness. It keeps you from going outside and explore the world. See,
Because you're too afraid.
see, the audio is still pretty good because it's like it is edited professionally, but I did it manually. Okay, it took me like a couple of weeks to edit the audio only. Okay, and now I have the file. This is the only dialogue file. Okay, I did noise reduction in this, so I just renamed it like that. Okay, and what you need to do is, like, just going to drop this file here, and basically just wait for it to complete the noise reduction and all the other enhancement thing. In the past, it was like a it was a trouble, to just edit the audio, and I was never good at it. Even I'm being a professional video editor, I was never good at editing the audio. So yeah, that is the issue. um, all right, so what happens, like, once the file is edited, you can download the file. And I've already downloaded the file. And now if you listen to the audio, you will see, like, it's like a very cleared version. It looks like I recorded this audio in my studio, which was like not the case. And you can get a better audio in, like, almost any video, any audio. Okay, and you will get a pretty good voice after that. So this is like a magic for me. Okay, and I will show you like how the voice
Owns the
sounds.
sky.
See. Okay.
To lose everything once again. I know it because I am one of them.
See.
Maybe, maybe it is the first time he's seeing it,
Okay,
or maybe not.
this is the
But for
enhanced
me,
version.
there's nothing special about a sunrise. I don't know why, but I feel a little bit of happiness just by looking at him.
And I'll show you. I can play you the original version, the version, like, which I edited. Okay, and you will see, like,
Going outside and
see,
explore the world
see, it's like the his
because you're
sound.
too afraid
It was
to
bad.
lose everything once again about a sunrise.
See,
I don't know
there's
why,
like a puff sounds as well.
but I feel a little bit of happiness just by looking at him.
As you can see, like, there's like a puff sound, the fish sound, um, the AI Adobe AI removed that as well. So which is like the amazing thing. Okay, so I will share you the edited version of the film later. Okay, so just check it out. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Okay, so thank you so much. Bye.